assist. Now this is your chance to use those cameras for the up-close and personal photo opportunity. Now to start the show, kailangan ko na ng aking unang volunteer. Na sino po sa inyo interested mag-participate? Now all you have to do is to raise your hand. Tapos iimbitahan po namin kayo sa stage para mahawakan niyo isa sa aming animals on display. So sino po yung gusto to be our first volunteer? Anyone?
Volunteer! Ano ba yan?
Yan, dito po tayo. Up on the stage. So remember, lahat naman ng animals na ilalabas, sila ay either trained, tamed, up, and poisonous. So safe po ito para sa lahat. Sino kaya ang gusto? Anyone else? That's for you to see. Ayan. Isa lang po. Isa lang po muna. Okay. Hello. Good morning. Ano pong pangalan?
Makoy.
Makoy. Na para sa'yo, kailangan ko yung left hand mo out like this. Now remember, meron akong animal na ipapahawak sa'yo. So any animal that you put in your hand, huwag mong iuhulog. Okay? Okay, now on our first creature feature, we have the Australian flying squirrel, also known as the sugar glider. Now there are small marsupials who could reach a length of 6 to 7 inches, and their tail is making half of their body. They're natives of Australia, Tasmania, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. And these guys are commonly pearl-green color with the black and green patches on the back of their ears. And they got their names from the fruit they eat and the ability to glide from trees and branches. Now because of their loving nature and small size, sila po ay popular as pocket pets. Napalakpakan naman natin si Makoy and of course ang aming sugar glider. Maraming salamat. And now on our next creature feature again, kailangan ko pa na isa pang volunteer. Yes sir, ano pong pangalan? Joey. Joey nga ba? Okay, para kay Joey, kailangan natin dalawang kamay niya. Out like this. Okay, whenever you're ready, on our second creature feature, we have the king snake. Again, now this one got its name from the fact na sila po ay kumakain ng mga snakes. Ayan, even poisonous one, kaya po nilang kainin. Now this guys could reach length of 4 meters, but on the contrary, sila po ay non-poisonous or non-venomous creature. And because of its attractive patterns, it has been a very popular pet snake as well. Now once again, palakpakan natin si Joey and of course ang aming California king snake. Ayan, thank you very much. And for our next animal on display, kailangan ko pa na isa pang volunteer. Hello ma'am, good morning. Ano pong pangalan? Joy. Now para naman kay Joy, we are going to talk about cats. But this time, you'll be seeing a cat spending most of their time sa top trees and branches. Na ma'am, kailangan nyo lang yumuko ng konti. And afterwards, tatayo na kayo ng diretso. Okay, now this one is a Palawan bear cat, also known as a binturong. Now they're not bears, but they got the same attribute as a bear because when they're on the ground, they could stand up perfectly using their 2 hind feet. And apart from the monkeys, sila lang po among the mammals ang gumagamit ng kanilang buntot ng parang panglibang kamay. Now since they are from the civet cat family, they smell like any other popcorn or a distinct scent of pandan. Now once again, palakpakan natin si Miss Joy and of course, yung aming Palawan bear cat. Now, thank you very much. Now for our next animal on display, again, kailangan ko pa ng isa pang volunteer. One more. Okay, hello. Good morning, and you are Leo. Okay, na para sa'yo, kailangan natin both hands out like this. But this time, the right hand should be a little higher than the left. Ako, bakit kaya? Now, on our next creature feature, we have an iguana. Now, there are 2 known species of iguanas all around the world na isa tinatawag nating Galapagos marine iguana, also known as the swimming lizard. But what we have right here, na ito naman po yung green iguana, also known as the bamboo chicken. Sila ay galing ng Mexico, Paraguay, at ng Central America. And apart from being a delectable food source, sila ay perfectly adaptable on life in trees. As you can see, they have long claws which makes them agile climbers. Now, iguanas are herbivores as they eat fruits, vegetables, and flower buds. Now, once again, palakpakan natin si Joey and of course, ang aming green iguana. Wow, now thank you very much once again. Now, for our next animal on display, isang volunteer pa po ang kailangan ko. One more. Wala na?
Ulit!
Naubos na yata sila.
Ako na ulit!
Sige po, okay lang. Okay, now this time, Makoy, kailangan natin ang iyong right hand out like this. Now on our next creature feature, we have the eastern bearded dragon. Now, these guys are commonly found in most parts of Australia, and they could reach the length of 24 inches, and that's about 2 feet. Now, they're omnivores as they eat insects and green leafy vegetables. Now, this guy's got its name from the spiny pouch that pops out of their lower jaw, which resembles their beard. Now, because they're shy and calm in nature, sila po ay perfect pets for kids. Now, once again, palakpakan natin si Makoy, and of course, yung aming eastern bearded dragon. Thank you very much.
Kamukha.
And para sa ating susunod na animal on display, isang volunteer pa kailangan ko. Okay. At this time, sir, kailangan nyo magsuot ng protective gloves. Saan ang ating mahiwagang gloves?
Ibon yan.
Nasaan siya?
Ano yan?
Ayan. Na traffic. Ayan, dito po. Sa inyong right hand. Pagkatapos, kailangan king kamay niya sa side.